Y'all saw the title, The Regime. Now this was obviously put in place by Dr. House to keep the misbehaved and obnoxious Nikki in her place as his minion. I'd usually spawn in the cockpit with a vacuum in my hands at around 9:30. Now the regime dictates that minimum time spent vacuuming must be over 5 minutes. 10 o'clock is time for tea, which I'd usually have to drink whilst it was still boiling. And on a bad day, he'd make me exercise in the living room. School, lunch, homework, 4 pages of compulsory diary that he then read and evaluated.
Feeling sentimental, you're lazy, arrogant, control your emotions. This is no good. 5 pages tomorrow. Now you will hold the light for your mother. Turn the light. Look at what your mother is doing. If you did not look, apologize to your mother. Your mother will hold the light while you work instead. Today we clean boat. First we remove everything from boat. Then just add water. Your friend Cleo helped too. Then scrub. Scrub better. Scrub in little space. I'm no ordinary girl. I'm from the deep blue underworld. Bring me the vegetables. 2 pages of encyclopedia for dropping the tomato. 4 pages. 5. Bring me the bin as well. Time for punishment. Run around Marina. You have 1 minute. Run again. Not fast enough. Run again. We continue with cleaning now. Expand the sails. Clean the sail now. Other sail. Hurry up and clean main sail now. Your friend can go, but you clean fence because of big mouth. Then I suggest you take extra care. Loss of limb will not excuse you. Is this what you call clean? Then lick it. Lick it. Again. 4 pages of encyclopedia. Silence, silence, you insufferable know-it-all.
I don't know what that says about my childhood. Anyway, and now, one of my favourite moments that I like to replay to myself in my head every time I really want that PTSD to kick in.
No! Can't you sing? Listen to the next line.
Near clear water stream there's a mill.
Near clear water stream there's a mill.
No! But I'm just the miller's offspring. What's wrong with you? Do you not hear when it goes up? Denise, come look at this. No, stop, child. You sing to her. Listen to your mother.
Doom ta, but I'm just a miller's offspring.
Okay, now sing.
Near clear water stream.
No, sing the next line.
I mean, traumatic but true. How would you avoid the regime? Bye.
No, listen to your mother sing. Sing with your mother. Sing better.
But I'm just the miller's offspring, thinking when the mill grounds loudly and water rustles, my heart is still happy to play and play. If the grinder stood still, the miller and farmer would mourn.